Master the road. Top secrets driving instructors don't want you to know. In an era where mastering the nuances of driving is more critical than ever, a few insider secrets can make all the difference. Leading industry experts have revealed techniques that professional driving instructors often keep under wraps. These hidden gems could significantly boost your confidence behind the wheel and enhance your overall driving experience. From understanding traffic patterns to maximizing vehicle safety features, these tips promise to transform novice drivers into seasoned road warriors. One of the most valuable secrets pertains to defensive driving, a skill set that isn't always thoroughly taught in conventional lessons. Defensive driving goes beyond basic road rules by emphasizing situational awareness and proactive measures to prevent accidents. Experts suggest practicing techniques such as maintaining a safe following distance, preparing for sudden stops by scanning far ahead on the road, and effectively using mirrors for a 360-degree view of your surroundings. Additionally, knowing how to handle adverse weather conditions like rain or fog can be crucial. Instructors may gloss over these scenarios due to time constraints, but mastering them can save lives. Moreover, understanding your vehicle's technology can dramatically improve your handling skills and safety margins. Modern cars come equipped with advanced features like anti-lock braking systems, traction control, and lane departure warnings tools designed not just for convenience but also for accident prevention. Surprisingly, many new drivers are only vaguely aware of how these systems work or when they should be utilized for optimal efficiency. Learning about these features from reliable sources or through additional training sessions could provide you with an edge that formal lessons might miss out on imparting fully. By tapping into these lesser-known strategies and technological insights, drivers can elevate their competence on the roads, significantly transforming everyday commutes into safer, more controlled experiences.